So this man walks in for Salatul Fajr and he's standing. And the Imam starts reading Surah Al-Baqarah. Okay? And it's a nice long surah. You know, Surah Al-Baqarah is very long. So this man is standing and he's thinking, hey, this Imam is reading long. And at the end of the Salah, you know, he looked at the man next to him, nudged him. He says, hey, this Imam read very long. Which surah did he read? So he says, it is called Surah Al-Baqarah, which means the cow. And it is the longest surah in the Quran. So he said, okay, now I must ask before I start my Salah, which surah is being read. So Al-Baqarah was very, very long. So now he came for Salatul Maghrib, the poor fellow. And he started Allahu Akbar. So Imam finished, Waladdali. He starts, أَلَمْ تَرَ كَيْفَ فَعَلَ رَبُّكَ بِأَصْحَابِ الْفِيلِ. So this man nudges the other one and says, you know what, before you start, what surah is this? He says, this is the elephant, Al-Fil. So that man says, if Baqarah was so long, I'm sure Fil must be even longer, let me go away.